to start and take control. Welcome back to Live Today for Tomorrow. If you haven't already, watch my channel introduction where I talk about how I lost weight the first time and what prompted me to start again now. In this video, I'm going to tell you the 2 little words that will make all the difference in your journey to get healthy or with any aspect of your life when you're trying to commit to make improvements. First, get in the right mindset. Know that you can do this. The mental game is 90% the challenge. In the past, I would talk myself out of it. I don't want to give up the foods that I crave. I feel out of control and like I just can't start. Do you use food to cover up negative emotions, for comfort, because you feel like you're addicted to sugar or fast food, junk food? I have some strategies that are going to help you with that, and I'll explain in detail in my 12-step checklist for the next time. Remember me like this. You're going to be seeing my weight loss transformation. I have really strong reasons for making this a long-term commitment right now. I want to avoid sleep apnea. I need to have more energy, and I need to prevent getting diabetes and other issues like cholesterol problems. I know my time is running out to turn things around. I don't even know how I've made it this far, being overweight and not having high blood pressure, diabetes, aches and pains, and other health concerns. I don't have the energy that I could, and I know my knees don't appreciate the extra weight at all. So start to consider your own reasons for making a change and focus on being positive and know that you can. Keep that mindset. Imagine 2 people. Person A, I want to lose weight. I want to get healthy. I want to cut out sweets. I want to start exercising. They've said this for years. They remain in a state of wanting. Their constant mindset is they're not doing it, they just want it. It's something off in the distance. It's not happening. So they sit and they eat unhealthy foods, and it gets harder mentally and physically to break out of it. They're doing other things in the present, eating a second helping, avoiding medical issues, putting off going to the doctor, all the while saying and thinking that they want something, and then it ends right there. They are stuck in an endless loop. It's wishing. It's a statement of what is lacking in their life. Now, here they are, the 2 simple words that will change every aspect of your life and help you. What if they change the words I want to I am? Yes, those are the 2 most important words for your life. Here's person B. They go about their day and they're faced with countless decisions. Should I go for a walk this morning? Should I drink some water? Should I have a cookie or a piece of fruit? They tell themselves, I am making healthy choices. I am losing weight. I am getting fit. I am doing something to reach my goal. This should be the mantra in your head all day. When reaching for a second helping, you say, I am getting healthy, and you choose to exercise instead. Running errands and you're hungry, do you stop for fast food? Instead, you remind yourself, I am making healthier choices, and you pick up a salad. Figuring out if you should watch TV or take a 10-minute walk, you tell yourself, I am getting fit, and out the door you go for your walk. Rather than I want and wishing for something different, it's actively doing something. Try it. The right mindset changes everything. I believe we are here to experience being the best version of ourselves that we can be. It's why I am is so important. Make a list. Who do you want to be? A healthy person, a person with energy, a person with better mobility. Say, I am achieving better mobility as you do an early morning stretch each day. Say, I am becoming a healthy person as you choose more healthy food options and as you do a new workout video. Soon this new mindset will become natural. If you've been stuck with telling yourself you can't, and if you've been neglecting your body, now is the time to repair it. Okay, So how exactly do we move forward? What's next? This is the overall plan. We'll watch our calorie intake and we'll make some small changes. We'll start with easy exercises. Here's a preview of a workout. We'll stay positive and we'll support one another. I'm calling these first videos Phase 1, and I already have more planned for the next part. Maybe like me, you sometimes start with a bang and then you fizzle out. Together, we can take this one day at a time. I made a 12-step checklist that you'll want to see to get started on the right foot. Essential little things I learned the last time when I lost 80 pounds. We're all in this for the long term. It will all add up to big changes. I'm proud of all of us just for getting to this first part. Tell me in the comments how you'll switch I want with I am. And then remember to subscribe and do one of my quick, easy workouts or stretch videos. Let's do this together, step by step.